Okay, I'm going to introduce you to the Delphi environment. First I'm going to open a new Delphi application. I'm going to say File, New VCell Form Application. When you open this or create this new application, you will see that you have a form. The form provides us with a place to construct the visual interface of our programs. We place components from the component palette or the tool palette onto the form. For example, if you want to add a button, you can type in button and then add it to your form. So this will be the GUI part of the program. If you click F12, you will switch to the coding part, the code editor. If you click F12 again, you will switch back to your GUI or your form. So F12 to quickly switch between the two. Over here we have the object tree view, and underneath the object tree view we have the object inspector. So if you want to inspect an object, like what properties or what events belongs to this object, you can just select the object in the object tree view or on the GUI, and you will be able to view the object. If you want to run this application, you can just click on the run button or the shortcut F9. So click on the run button. And you will see the program